let's have a look at what we got. Oh, it's windy out here. This is a carbon filter. Wow. Yeah, it's a carbon for my shop truck. I'm not in Kansas anymore, even Illinois. I'm in a parking lot, and there's that. She threw a code, P0441, I think. Yeah, that's why I bought this. That's a good set of tools, boys, at Home Depot. Anyway, yeah, I drove the truck down to Texas. I worked down here for a while, so I wanted some wheels. She didn't miss a beat, didn't burn a drop of oil, but this thing went bad. So anyway, all right, in case you think I'm goofing off, I usually am. But today I'm in the parking lot of the hotel. Thanks.